Hello everyone, today we are going to solve another important problem from module 1 mathematical logic first. So the question is given, first is direct proof, second indirect proof, third proof by contradiction for the following statement. If n is odd integer then n plus 9 is an even integer. So first we go for direct proof. With the help of direct proof we have to show that if n is odd integer then n plus 9 is an even integer. So given n is an odd integer, to prove n plus 9 is an even integer. So first we go for direct proof. Direct proof. So what is the definition of direct proof? An integer n is odd if it can be written as n equals to 2k plus 1 where k is integer, k belongs to integer. So now go for proof. As we know that n is a round integers, so n equals to 2k plus 1. Now n plus 9 equals to 2k plus 1 plus 9. So 2k plus 10, take out 2 as a common, remaining is 2k plus 5. So as you can clearly see, this is a multiple of 2. So we can see that n plus 9 is an even integer. Now go for second part, which is indirect proof, or we can say that it is contrapositive. So here what you proof, assume n plus 9 is odd, then n plus 9 equals to 2k plus 1 for some integer k. So the contrapositive of the original statement is if n plus 9 is not even, it means it is odd, like that. Then n is not odd, it means it is even. By the assumption we can written as n plus 9 equals to 2k plus 1 for some integer k. For this equation subtract 9 from both sides to get n. So n equals to n plus 9 minus 9, which is equal to 2k plus 1 minus 1, means subtract from 9 this side to and this side also. So what we get, so n equals to 2k minus 8. So take 2 as a common, k minus 4. This show that n is divisible by 2, so n is even. So this is true, the original statement is also true. So now go for third part. What is the third part? Proof by contradiction. Assume the hypothesis is true but the conclusion is false. So what we assume, odd. So n equals to 2k plus 1. And in second part, n plus 9 is not even. So it is odd. If both n and n plus 9 are odd, then n equals to 2k plus 1, which is equal to n plus 9. So 2k plus 1 plus 9. So here n plus 9 equals to 2k plus 10. So n plus 9 equals to 2, take out as a common, k plus 5. This result show that n plus 9 equals to 2k, 2 times of k plus 5 is even, not odd. So this contradicts our assumptions. So our assumption is n plus 9 is not even, which is false now because it is a even.